placer, bib number 10074, Gerald Reyondique. Time finish, 52 minutes and 31 seconds.
Ako pala yun.
Mr. Gerald Reyondique. And our second placer is bib number 10075, Chester Mape. Time finish, 51
Thank you.
minutes
May towel ba to?
and seconds.
Oh yes mga boss. Finally.
And our first placer, bib number 10561, William Limay Jr. Time finish, 36 minutes and 39.6 seconds.
Extra small. Third.
Congrats po. Boss, Taiwan!
Calling po again the attention of Sir Norman de los Reyes. Again, Sir Norman de los Reyes. Kung pwede po ay dito malapit sa stage. Sir Norman de
Boss,
los
may large.
Reyes po.
Pwede large. Large na lang. Yan. Thank you.
Ako ng towel. Pwede ba siguro towel? Towel. Towel daw, towel. Pwede na towel.
Oh, towel daw. Oh, sige, towel na lang. Towel na lang ba yun?
Sir, mga boss. Congrats.
Thank you.
Okay, before we proceed to the awarding of our winners in the 70th
Finally mga boss, oh. Naka-podium na tayo. Last time kasi nung nagaleg, natalo tayo ng 1 second. Nung third place, kaya nakapang fourth lang tayo. 1 second lang, boss. Sayang yun. Anyways, it's still a win for us, mga boss. Tara, day 1, oh.
For those who are interested